Hello friends, welcome back. If you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. It is again a plant video, a short one. This is my string of hearts, the variegated one. And this particular shoot seems happy and healthy. Now this is our maple leaf ivy. What a beautiful plant. Look at the leaves and what a perfect name. It's doing pretty well. The tip has dried up a bit because it is getting hot here at my place. I think because of that. Other than that, it is healthy and looks beautiful. Now I think this weekend, after I return back after casting my vote from my hometown, I am going to shift it to a bigger pot. Now it needs a bigger pot. Now this is my Echeveria chroma. Beautiful succulent, a beautiful one. I just love it. Same plant, two different colors. See how pretty they are. I wish the upper side would also color, the bigger head would also color. Beautiful one. Now this is my Hawathia limifolia, which is doing extremely well. But one thing I would like to tell you all, that is, if the leaves of this particular succulent turns black, then you must understand that it has been overwatered, which had happened recently because I was actually watering the other plants, and I was also giving a generous amount of water, and it had turned black. Now this is my wandering Jew, the green variety. See how pretty the leaves are, and it is in a tiny container, but still it looks happy. Look at that. Actually, I had added some extra manure to the container actually. See how vibrant, how happy, how pretty. Now this is another variety of the wandering Jew. This is the Tradescantia nunuk, and look at it. It's a beautiful plant. I fall in love with the color of this plant every time I see it. And this has been given to me by my elder cousin, who had been gifted the plant by her little daughter. And from there I was given a cutting. And now I have 2 pots of this plant, and already I have shared the cuttings with my friends as well. Now this is my snake plant, the dwarf variety, and it is doing extremely well. It has just been taken out. It was indoors for a very long period, and I think this is the plant that can be kept indoors for a very long time. Although I don't support keeping plants indoors for a very long period, but this one was in my room for a very long period. Now this is Calathea, a beautiful plant again. It's the pinstrip Calathea. You all have seen this plant numerous times earlier, but I'm showing it to you again because there has been a considerable increase in the height of the plant. But as the summer heat is increasing, the leaves are slightly getting brown. Now this is another spider plant, and it is doing extremely well. Spider plants are very easy to grow. Now I had 5 of these geraniums which had come all the way from Darjeeling, out of which 1 died, and 3 are extremely well. They are healthy, they are growing, but I am a bit worried about the other one because the leaves looks, this particular chap, I'm worried about this because the older leaves look a bit withered. And this is the geranium. This is growing in a big pot, and these are the blooms. The size of the flowers has decreased considerably because of the heat, but I love the geraniums. Now this is my peace lily or the spathiphyllum, which is in bloom. I can already spot, I think, 5 or 6 flowers. See how beautiful, how soothing the flowers look, how calm. This is the flower that is in bloom right now. I have just one pot and it is just making me happy. Now this is my fuchsia plant. You all know it was gifted to me by Rosa, and I can already see a pink tinge on the buds. But the sad thing is, it is being attacked again and again by the mealy bugs, and the first thing I did today was spraying it with the insecticide. This is a cycle that will go on and on. I'm just waiting for the flowers to bloom. So thank you my friends for staying till the end. If you like the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it is bye bye for today.